My dad's gonna let me have that car tonight.
Oh, the car? That's super.
That sounds swell, Jeff, but, well, I don't know if I'll be able to go. I got quite a headache.
A headache, huh?
Yeah.
Well, how about letting Jeff, the old soda jerk, fix you up a snappy seltzer?
Okay.
Hey, watch out, you're going
Some jerk.
Okay, Bob, I saw the whole wise stunt. Now, just suppose you clean it up.
Go on, wise guy, clean it up.
Yeah, it's right on the floor there.
Wise guys, huh? Well, suppose I don't pick you up tonight. I got a darn good notion to let you guys walk to the party.
What got into him? Gee, I don't know.
Why is Jeff angry? What's the stimulus that brings on this sudden emotional response of anger or mild rage? And now it's later than he thought. He tries a shortcut, hurrying to get home.
Great Scott, who in the world left that there? What a time to water the lawn.
Jeff is frustrated by the sprinkler, but he asked for it.
I got nothing on my mind, just a lot of gray noise. Take a look inside my head, you'll see I'm just one of the boys. Got no life without reason, I stumble in the dark. Take a look at this broken boy, you see it's over right from the start. Falling apart, yeah, I'm falling apart. I'm falling apart. I found lies to believe in. Everyone needs a cause. Found love in a perfect world with all of these flaws. Got no life without reason. I fumble in your arms. Take a look at the shattered boy. It was over right from the start. Falling apart. Yeah, I'm falling apart. I'm falling apart.
I just got home. Don't rush. Well, the purpose of a party is to have fun together.
I don't know, it's just like people don't get along as well as they should, as well as they could.
I got no life without reason. I stumble in the dark. Take a look at this broken boy. You see it's over right from the start. Falling apart. Yeah, I'm falling apart. I'm falling apart. Yeah, I'm falling apart. I'm falling apart.
Why don't you go home and get house-died? You don't have A's and B's. You should have A's and B's. You come home with A's and B's. You should have had straight A's. So you go off and you're all depressed and you smoke some marijuana, you get with some friends, you start laughing and you're happy and things are cool until you go home and it starts all over again.
And while everyone finishes eating, a little more spontaneous, unplanned fun.
Oh, do you play, Steve?
Does he play? Show him, Steve.
Oh. Come on in and try. Oh, and I don't care. Jimmy crack corn and I don't care. Jimmy crack corn and I don't care. Mother is gone away.
And part of a good party is knowing when to go home. soon after refreshments had been served. Now, let's think back. What made this party such a good one? What do we want to do next time?